Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video you are looking at a song Ene Wonko by Esther Amoako. Okay, so the song was done in the key of C, but I'll be playing the key of F. So without much ado, let's begin today's lesson. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video you'll be one of the first to get it. Left hand I'm doing piano, then on the right hand I'm doing EP. So let's check the chord on the left hand, then we'll look at the right hand. Okay, so basically it follows a simple progression, which is the 4, 1, then 5, then 1, then 4, 1, then 5, then 1. So basically I have basically 3 chords here: 4, which is the B flat chord, then F major, then C, then back to the F. Okay, so basically that's the Fa, then the Do. This invented, okay, then So, the Do. Okay, don't worry, I'll be singing the song so that you know where to place your chords and everything. Okay, and additional stuff that they did, I'm going to be showing you everything basically about this particular song, so bear with me. Okay, then let's check the first intro that they did. Okay, so basically the song has 2 major intros, so a brass aspect as well, so I'm going to show you all of that part. Okay, so let's check that part. So it goes like this. Okay. So what is that? Basically I'm doing this, the Do and the So, the La and the Fa, the So and the Mi. Okay, so I'll play it again. This time I will add the So and the Re, then to the dominant. Alright, then again, this time we are ending it. Alright, you see how I break it down. So the other part of the intro will also begin, which is the this one. Fa mi re mi so, fa mi re do so. Then the song will start. Ene Wonko, 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 Ene Wonko. So basically the song progression follows similar to the intro that we did. The Fa, then the Do, the So, the Do, the Fa, the Do, the So, and the Do. Along the line I was playing the flat 7, which is the top, to the 4. Okay, so that's a passing chord to the 4. You can choose to do that, or you can basically play just simple chords throughout the song. So let me show you the brass aspect. Okay, so at a point they were playing some horns. Let me show you that part, then we call it a day. Okay, so on the horn side, this was what they were doing. Okay, let me adjust my brass so that it will sound nice. So this was what they were doing. So let me break it down. What am I doing? So basically we already know the chord progression: the Fa, the Do, the So, the Do. Here we are doing this, the Re. Then I did Mi Fa So, but just that I'm holding down the F. Okay, like this. So Re. Okay, so the time that I hit the So, I'll play the Do and the So together. Okay, so then I do Re to, then Re, Do Re Mi, then I hit the So and the Mi. Okay, then So Do. Okay, so the So, I have the So and the Re, then so in the do, okay, be in the do, okay. So one more time. So basically that's what they use for this particular song. Subscribe if you have, and more videos like this is coming your way, okay. Bye.